Woke up with a vision, it's crystal clear. Building dreams from scratch, no doubt, no fear. Late nights, coffee high, chasing the light. Turning sparks into flames, we're taking flight. Every step we take, the world's wide awake. No room for mistakes, we're here to break the waves. Heartbeats like a drum, the future's where we run. A brand new chapter's just begun. This is our startup, watch us rise. From the ground to the skies, we'll defy the odds tonight. With every idea, every spark, we'll ignite. This is our startup, shining bright. This is our startup, watch us rise. From the ground to the skies, we'll defy the odds tonight. With every idea, every spark, we'll ignite. This is our startup, shining bright. Code on the screen, plans on the wall. We're making moves, standing tall. Failure's just a step to what's ahead. We'll rewrite the rules, leave nothing unsaid. Every risk we take, the earth starts to shake. Our dreams never fade, we're here to make a change. Heartbeats like a drum, the journey's just begun. Together we shine like the sun. This is our